If you are looking for a fun and sustainable and creative way to grow plants and vegetables, Tyre gardening is worth considering. Tyre gardening is a form of container gardening that involves using old and discarded tires as planters. This is not only a fun way to add some greenery to your space, but also an environmentally friendly approach to gardening. One of the benefits of tire gardening is that it is a way of repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills. The use of old tires for gardening is not only sustainable but also contributes to a cleaner and healthier environment. Additionally, tire gardening is a great option for those who don't have access to a lot of land or outdoor space. To get started with tire gardening, you need to collect some old tires. Tires can be found for free at tire shops or other online classified ads. Once you have the tires, you need to give them a thorough cleaning with soap and water and drill drainage holes at the bottom. This is essential to prevent water from pooling and causing root rot. After drilling the drainage holes, fill the tires with soil and compost. Then plant your seeds or seedlings. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and the amount of sunlight and space available. Some great options for tire gardening include tomatoes, herbs, peppers, and flowers. One of the most creative and interesting aspects of tire gardening is the wide variety of ideas that you can experiment with. For instance, you can stack tires on top of each other to create a vertical garden that saves space and adds a unique touch to your garden. You can also use tires to create raised garden beds, which provide better drainage and easier access for maintenance. Tires can also be turned into flower planters by painting them in a bright colors and placing them around your garden. Another great idea for tire gardening is to use large tires as planters for trees such as fruits or olive trees. This is a unique way to add shade and visual interest to your garden. You can also create a mini pond for burying a tire partially in the ground and filling it with water. Add aquatic plants and fish to complete the look and enjoy the relaxing sound of water in your garden. In conclusion, tire gardening is a sustainable and creative way to grow plants and vegetables that adds a unique touch to your garden. By repurposing old tires, you can contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment while enjoying the benefits of fresh produce and a beautiful garden.